We've been driving around, singing songs way too loud because we wanna. Picking up all our friends, fill up the car till it bends because we wanna. Yeah, we just wanna have fun. The trunk's full of wine. We're gonna stay up, have the time of our lives. The night is young.
Hi everyone, and welcome to Friday with Friends. I hope you're ready for some fun. I want to do some more blooming because I have been playing with Candy Pigments. But instead of just my little samples, I have gotten in some big tubs. So let's go through all those colors and let's have some fun with these. Hold on. Okay, I've got you off to the side instead of overhead this time because I'm going to be blowing these and I don't want you to only see my head. So let me go through some of these gorgeous new colors I have. Now this one is one of the samples. I just haven't used it yet. And this is the 14K Nugget Gold. Look at the sparkle. I hope you can see that. Let me get it where you can see it. Hope you see that shimmer and that glitter. Oh, gorgeous. The next one is this gorgeous blue. Look at the shine and shimmer on that. That is the, I'm not even sure how to say some of these, but it is the Aoi Hi Blue, or Aoi Hi Blue, I'm not sure. But that is a gorgeous dark blue. It has some gorgeous, gorgeous shimmer. Next is a beautiful orange. Again, awesome shine. That is the Kakiiro Orange. Next I have a green. I'm loving this green. Look at the shine on that one. And that is our Sibafu Green. This next one, oh, this is my fave. This is my fave so far, guys. This is, look at the glitter and the shine in that. Can you see that? I don't know if you can see that, but oh, that's the penny copper. That is just fabulous. Next is a white, and this is Hakashika. And it is an iridescent white. And that is just, it's just pearl. It's just this pearlescent white. Gorgeous. Now this last one's sort of tricky. When you look at it, it does sort of look purple. It is considered to be blue with red undertones, but they state, a lot of people look at it and say purple. And that one is called Kamenbudokai, or something like that. I apologize if I am butchering the names, but the colors are gorgeous. Look at the shimmer on that. Look at that. Look at the way that shimmers. Whew. All right, then I've got some other of the ones I've used before in the eye candy. This is the Baku Red. These are in my little sample bags. This one, which I've used before, I have just little bits of leftover of this one, and that is the Suiren Purple. And then we have a little bit of leftover of this one. This is the Macaw Blue Green. These are all ones I've used before from these samples. And the last one is the Rainbow Blue, which is a gorgeous, gorgeous blue. Get a quick drink. All right, now in my tube paints, because you always want to mix a tube paint in on a bloom with your pigments, it helps it. So I've got my Artist Loft Neon Pink. I have Artist Loft Vermilion. Both of those were mixed up from before. And I've added to those some Amsterdam Naples Yellow Deep, just to add some more colors. And we're just gonna have some fun. All of my colors are of course mixed with Joe Sonia Varnish and the Behr 8300 Deep. Seem to be working very well. We have 2 cell activators. The first one is my Amsterdam Permanent Blue Violet, which has been working really lovely for me. And I've also got some Amsterdam Titanium White Cell Activator. Those are about 2.5 parts Aussie Floetrol to 1 part paint. And then my pillow paint is going to be Amsterdam Titanium White mixed with Mix Pour. That seems to be the base that is working best for me, so we're gonna stick with it. Okay, so we are going to start by putting a pillow down. Now I'm using these little 6x6 wood panels. They're cradled, inexpensive little guys, just for fun. I've got a couple of them. So we're going to start with the first one. So that's that one. There's a lot of that penny copper shine in there, but it's really mainly just a big puddle of pink. So I don't know. I may change my mind and kill him later. Gorgeous. Much happier. Still not seeing a lot of colors, so I'll have to change how I'm laying down the paints a bit, but much better. Look at that. Look at that. Can you see that shimmer? Oh yeah, look at those colors. Yeah, you can see that like shifting around in the light. Oh, so pretty.
I was out of use. Now every day, every night, every moment with you, I'm walking on air. And every day, every way, I feel I can't lose. I wanna shout it out, ain't no limit. I wanna shout it out to the world.
this one, guys. Oh, this one I'm happy with. So many colors and so much pretty shine. Let's put it back this way. Look at that. Look at that shine. I don't know how much of that you can tell, but wow. Just fabulous. All right, putting that one to the side. Okay, everyone, we have dry results. Shiny, shiny, shiny. Oh, the sparkle. I'll show you the sparkle better when I'm done here, but oh, they are so shiny. Gorgeous. Dried very well. Very happy. Oh, let me show you some sparkle here. Hold on. Let me get it out in the brighter light. Look at the shine and the sparkle. This one has a lot of the penny copper and the bright pink. And grab the next one. Come out here in the brighter light. Look at that. Look at that. Ooh. You see all that shine? Oh, gorgeous. Let me grab that third one. Come out here to the bright light. Oh, I love this one. Look at this shine. Oh, they all come out, oops, very well. Okay, put it back there. Oh, I enjoyed this. I'm loving these new colors. I'm loving the shine. The sparkle in the penny copper is fantastic. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell. This is part of our Friday with Friends. The schedule of artists is in my description box. After me is Joanne from Joanne Ralston Art. And from there you can follow along the rest of the train. Have a wonderful, wonderful weekend, everyone. And thank you.
Yeah, you better step into the light, just give it a try. Know that it's time you let that spark out. You've been hiding in the shadows way too long.